Today in the Seanad, I introduced a bill to introduce a standalone offence of stalking into Irish law.
It's time that we have a public awareness campaign in relation to the menopause.
Came to the realisation that we were going to need to go down probably the more costly and more serious route of IVF.
It's a huge priority of mine. Eating disorder teams, you know, we have many clinical programmes. We deal with eating disorders, we deal with self-harm, we deal with dual diagnosis, we deal with ADHD.
And Garda Síochána have called to over 27,000 domestic violent incidences. And I dread to think what that figure might be today, 9 months on.
Restrictions in relation to partners attending maternity appointments and, of course, labour from November the 1st will be lifted.
A review of hate crime legislation is expected to ask the government to consider criminalising public sexual harassment.
Spoken with survivors who were wrapped in blankets and handed to an attendant on a plane and flown 7,000 miles away to be given to a new family. No paperwork, no records. Now we do know that some thousand children were adopted without legal paperwork to the US in the middle part of the last century. So why was this missing? Why wasn't even part of that in the Commission report?
The pandemic has shone a spotlight on the significant caring work undertaken by women.
So we must all on this day and every day call for gender equality, promote gender equality, call for the criminalisation of any form of gender violence or abuse.
Not all men, but all women will learn to text your friends when we arrive home safely, because for us it is not a giving that we will. We cannot do nothing. This is the fight of our lives.